We all have goals that we want to achieve. However, sometimes we may find ourselves struggling to make progress towards those goals. In this video, we'll be diving into 5 habits that can hold you back from achieving your goals, and we'll provide some practical tips on how to overcome them. So, if you're ready to start making progress towards your goals, then keep watching. Procrastination is a common habit that can prevent you from reaching your goals. When you put off tasks until the last minute, you may feel stressed and overwhelmed. This can lead to lower quality work and missed opportunities. One way to overcome procrastination is to break tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. You can also set realistic deadlines for yourself to help you stay on track. Additionally, try to identify any underlying reasons why you may be procrastinating. Are you afraid of failure? Do you feel overwhelmed by the task at hand? Addressing these underlying issues can help you overcome procrastination and reach your goals. If you're easily distracted or find it difficult to concentrate, lack of focus may be holding you back from reaching your goals. When you can't focus on a task, it may take longer to complete or not be completed at all. To overcome this habit, try eliminating distractions like social media, TV, or other devices. Instead, focus on one task at a time and break it into smaller steps if necessary. Additionally, try to find a quiet place to work or use noise-canceling headphones to block out any distracting noises. Negative self-talk is a habit that can create self-doubt and limit your potential. When you engage in negative self-talk, you may tell yourself that you're not good enough or that you'll never achieve your goals. This can be a self-fulfilling prophecy and prevent you from reaching your full potential. To overcome negative self-talk, try replacing those thoughts with positive affirmations and self-compassion. You can also try to identify any triggers that may lead to negative self-talk and address them proactively. Fear of failure is a common habit that can prevent you from taking risks and trying new things. When you're afraid of failing, you may avoid taking on new challenges or pursuing your goals. However, it's important to remember that failure is a natural part of the learning process. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity and use it to grow and improve. Additionally, try reframing your thoughts around failure. Instead of thinking of failure as a negative outcome, think of it as a stepping stone toward success. When you give up easily or lose motivation, you may struggle to make progress. To overcome this habit, try setting achievable milestones and celebrating your progress along the way. You can also try finding ways to stay motivated, such as creating a vision board or seeking support from friends and family. Remember, reaching your goals takes time and effort, so don't give up too easily. So those are 5 habits that may be holding you back from reaching your goals. Remember, breaking these habits and developing new positive habits takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.